guys, welcome back to Home Crux. My name is Priya and I am back with another Halloween DIY using this empty toilet paper roll. Today we are going to make pumpkins with this and these. Let's get started. First, we cut the toilet paper roll in half. Now we are going to take one of the yarns and unspool some yards of it. This should be enough, so I'm going to take one and put some hot glue inside and add the string, hold it nice in place. Now we start wrapping the yarn around this roll. So I have made these two pumpkins. Now I'm going to add these sticks to mimic the stems. Just apply some hot glue and stick it inside the pumpkins. You can make these as big or as small as you want and in as many colors, but I think these two turned out pretty great. These will look great on your fireplace mantle, on side tables, dining table, or anywhere that you feel like needs a pop of color and some fall and Halloween touch. Happy Halloween!